There's a lady from India called Mohana who writes some absolutely gorgeous poetry. I'm going to read one of hers called Before the Rain. Tangled daylight fades, overpowered, and dissolving in vapors of the watery mistiness, hangs like a shroud above the uncluttered emptiness of this hemisphere. Smudged darkness seethes slowly as layers of gray-black clouds barricade the sun, smothering his consciousness with the sweetness of some strong ether. Waves of distilled darkness roll through the gaps in the foliage of neighborhood trees, squeezing between iron window bars, trespassing privacy, and blowing through the pages of her half-read novel. Strumming the guitar strings, buds droop down, their infant eyes lulled to sleep with the song sung by the flocks of different birds as they head home in the shadows of invading rain. More clouds assemble noiselessly like supporters of a conspiracy, watching the burning bright day shrivel, turn cold like ashen disappointment hovering over Scottish heath. And then it pours. The remnants of day lie in scattered puddles all along, like a palette full, filled with runny-colored light.